Hello, welcome back. What if I told you there is a tool that could unlock your full potential, not just for productivity, but for creativity and growth? Today, we are exploring how combining AI with growth mindset can become your ultimate superpower, helping you break old limits and achieve more than you ever imagined. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to unlock you. The biggest thing holding you back isn't the technology, it's the story you keep yourself telling to yourself about what you can do and what you cannot do. Today, I'll show you how AI can help build your growth mindset, get more done, and spark creativity. Maybe you have said to yourself that I'm not creative enough, I'm not organized enough, and I'm not smart enough. But those are all those are all just old stories. AI proves you don't have to be perfect. You just have to be willing to learn. That's what growth mindset is. Believing you can improve with effort, and with AI, that effort becomes easier, faster, and even fun. Let's talk about productivity first. AI can help you to organize your day with smart scheduling tools, summarize emails and reports so you don't feel overwhelmed, automate boring tasks so you can focus on what matters most. Here's the mindset shift required. So stop saying I'm bad at time management. Start saying I'm learning to manage my time with the help of AI. Now let's talk about creativity. It's not about being born as an artist. It's about trying things out. AI can help you to suggest design ideas when you are stuck, help brainstorm scripts, captions, or presentation, turn rough sketches into polished visuals. So instead of saying I'm not a creative person, say I'm exploring creativity using new tools like AI. AI isn't for work only, it's for your growth. It can guide you in learning a new language, support your fitness goals, or even help you in journaling prompts to reflect. The mindset shift required here is stop saying I don't know enough. Start saying I am learning every day with the help of AI. AI isn't a shortcut. It is a catalyst. It doesn't replace your effort. It multiplies it. When you combine AI with growth mindset, you stop waiting to be enough and start becoming more every single day. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs it. Try using AI not as a simple support but as a superpower for your growth. Subscribe to my channel to discover how AI can boost your growth and help you unlock your potential. With this, I end this session. Keep exploring, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.